Hello everyone, my name is Aniruddha Sutar. So in today's demo, we will discuss about the Agile methodology in software development lifecycle. Then discuss about some key points of Agile principles and practices. Then we will also discuss on what is Jira and how to use Jira in Agile development, and also see some practical demonstration using Jira. So let's get started. So first is what is Agile? So Agile is a modern approach of software development which focuses on delivering small functional parts of project in short cycles called sprints. Usually sprints are of 1 to 4 weeks. Agile promotes adaptability to changing requirements and continuous improvement. So, in simple words, we can say that Agile is a approach how to work on IT projects, which is good for employees, client, as well as for company. It is nothing but the time box based iterative approach of software development. So, Agile basically says that don't build the entire project in one go. Rather, break it down into smaller time frames, and in each time frame finish some features. So this is what Agile says. So why we use the Agile? Basically, the traditional software development life cycle means waterfall software development life cycle is rigid and assume requirements won't change. Means in that system we cannot change the requirements. So Agile solves this by being iterative and incremental, allowing teams to deliver value faster. So we choose Agile over the waterfall model. There are some benefits of using Agile methodology in software development lifecycle, like flexibility. Means Agile is flexible. We can change in any stage. It means changes can be introduced in at any stage of the software development lifecycle. So it's better to use Agile instead uh, traditional SDLC. Second key point is customer collaboration. Means clients are involved throughout the process. Here in this diagram, you can see that here the product owner or maybe client involves throughout the process, and using agile methodology we can improve our the quality of the product. It means in this method we continuous testing and with feedback from the owner to improve the product. So here you can see the in this diagram you see some the agile scrum framework, product owner, product backlog, then sprint planning meeting, backlog. Then here is a scrum master, then daily stand-up meetings, sprint of review, finished work, and sprint retrospective. So here we will see the all terminologies in this diagram. So Scrum framework means the framework which uses sprints, daily stand-up meetings, and define the roles like Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Development Team. So this is nothing but a Scrum framework. Here you can see the product backlogs. Here is the prioritized list of the tasks and features. It means in this backlog we can prioritize our tasks which are more important. And this sprint retrospective means meetings to reflect on what went well and what can be improved. So this is nothing but the Agile Scrum framework. In this framework, we will see the product. Let's see the key points or key concepts in this framework. Like here you can see the product owner. Product owner is nothing but which manages the backlog and prioritize the requirements. It means then here you can see another one is the Scrum Master. Scrum Master is who is who ensure the entire sprint happens properly. It means if there is a 2 weeks of sprint, then within 2 weeks finalize how many features to be completed and complete it. Scrum Master may be in many companies like for a there is a separate role like Scrum Master. Many companies hired separate role for a Scrum Master. So it may be like a senior member of team, means the 3 to 4 years experience members can work as a Scrum Master also. Then also the tech lead can work as a Scrum Master. And here you can see the team members. So in this team member, actual developers are in this team member, like who handles the implementation of the code and the testing of the code. So in this way the Scrum framework works. And also one thing, the product owner writes the functional requirement in Jira. And these requirements are written in the form of user story. So the user story means the requirement should be created from perspective of end user, like as an e-commerce user. Suppose there is a e-commerce platform and a user is of e-commerce platform, so user story should like this. As an e-commerce user, I want to see Stripe as a payment option so I can make payments securely. So this can maybe the user stories in the form of in the perspective of like users. So suppose there is a so we have discussed that sprint is maybe 1 to 4 weeks, means it can be of 2 weeks also. So before the sprints sprint starts, the grooming meetings are happen. In these meetings, team discusses requirements and estimates story points. Then sprint planning happens in this meeting, defines features and allocate the tasks. And in the development and testing, the team works on tasks while updating Jira statuses. So this is how the agile framework is works. So now let's see the what is Jira. Uh, Here to develop this project, we use Jira as a project management tool. It means in a Jira, product owner writes the requirements in project. Then mm, these requirements, according to these requirements, the team or developers handle the project. So let's discuss about Jira. So this is how Jira looks. So Jira is a project management tool widely used in Agile for planning, tracking and managing software projects. Jira is created by Atlassian. Here you can see Atlassian.net. Jira supports Agile framework like Scrum and Kanban also. There are some features of Jira. Let's see the what are the features of Jira. So backlog management. One of the feature is backlog management. Here you can see these are the product backlog in which we prioritize the tasks. So using Jira, we can manage this backlog and organize and prioritize our tasks. Sprint planning. So we already already discussed that the software development life cycle includes the sprints, and using Jira we can plan the sprints. We can create sprints and assign tasks. Here you can see the board in which we visualize our progress using Scrum. It means here you can see the to do, in progress and done tasks. We will see detail about this later. So the main question is why to use Jira. So the to centralize all project information, we use Jira, which enhance the team collaboration and provides the real-time updates and progress tracking. So that's why we use Jira. Now let's see the practical demonstration of Jira. So the first is how to set up Jira, or to use a free Jira account you can go to Jira Atlassian. So this one is link So you can get Jira here and just log in to Jira. So after login, you can see this is the interface of Jira. So first, let's say how to use Jira. So here you can see the create button. So to create a project, we will just create on click create. Then my project MP1. So here the project is created as a MP1. These are the projects. To create project, just go here and click on create projects. So here software development and use Scrum Jira, then use this template. Go here and name of the project. So suppose our project is e-commerce based. So e-com website. So here our project is created. So here you can see our project e-com website is created. So let's see. So the project is created. Now we have to create the backlogs. So to create a backlog, go to the backlog. Sorry for the inconvenience. The internet is little bit slow. So here you can see the stories. So you can add user stories as as a user. Here we will create one story as a user. I want to. So here our story is created. now we will add some tasks in this, and to add tasks, just here create one task and add the task. Like for this user story, you can add tasks like setup database schema for products. You can add many tasks here like create payment gateway integration. So in this way, we created the user story and two tasks here. So now we have to plan the sprint. So to plan the sprint, we just click here on create sprint. Here already we have created the EW sprint 1, and in which we have added one user story. As a user, I want to browse products by category, and two tasks as set up database schema for products and create payment gateway integration. So here you can see edit sprint, and in this sprint, like you can add the duration of sprint like 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 weeks. So we can add 2 weeks, and start date should be anyone which you want. Like I'm just adding 1 November, sorry, 1 December, and update the sprint. So just now we have set the sprint duration. Now just click on uh, start print. So by clicking on start sprint, our sprint is started, and here you can see on board. Here you can see the three portions, to do, in progress, and done. So we have added these three tasks, like two tasks and one user story, which are in to do section. So when you are working on these tasks and user story, you can just drag and drop these tasks to in progress. It means you are working on these tasks, and these tasks are in progress. So here you can see the these three in backlog. There is one another feature, like here you can see these tasks are unassigned, so you can assign these tasks to your team members or to self also. So I assign these tasks to me. So and here you can see in bold we have moved these tasks from to do to in progress, and this can be visible in the backlog also. Here you can see these tasks are in progress. So when these tasks are done, then you can simply drag and drop these tasks into done section like this. Here you can see our all the tasks are moved to the done section. It means our sprint is over. We done all the tasks which are assigned to us. So going to the backlog section, here also you can see that our tasks are in done section, and our sprint is completed. So in this way you can use Jira for the project tracking. That means which tasks are assigned to you. These tasks are in progress, or that may be in done section. So whenever the tasks are assigned to you, then when you start working on these tasks, you can move these tasks from to do to done section, sorry, from to do to in progress section. And once you completed these tasks, you can move these tasks from in progress section to the done section. This makes developers life easy to maintain the tasks, and so in this way we use this Jira to manage our project tasks. So let's summarize what we have discussed in this demo. So we have discussed that Agile is a basically approach how to work on IT projects. It says that don't build entire project in one go, rather break it down into smaller time frames, and in each time frame finish some features. There are some approaches of software development lifecycle. One approach is entire project should break it and down into time features. Then each time frame takes some features. Then fully develop and test everything. Give the demo to the product owner. If product owner is okay, then deploy it to the production. Means here you can see what we have said. They like entire project, break it down into smaller time frames. Then each time frame takes some features. Then develop this and test everything and give demo to the product owner. Once the product owner says okay, then deploy it to the production. this is how the software development life cycle works. And once the one sprint is completed, here we completed our sprint 1, then you can start your sprint 2 here, like sprint 2, create some user stories and create tasks, then assign it to team members, then set the sprint duration, like mm, then move the task from to do to in progress to done, and the sprint is over. Then again start the sprint 3, and this will keep happening until your project is done. So in this way we use software development lifecycle in the project management and Jira for the project tracking. So our demo is over here. So thank you.